Hi everyone and welcome to another video from DisplayRepair.com. In this video we'll be showing you how to replace steel wheels with alloy ones. You may have bought new ones or have a spare set like in this case. If you've never changed them, here's how to do it. So stay tuned. DisplayRepair.com. Be sure to visit us at our website DisplayRepair.com, where you can find more useful car and driving tips. The basic principle of replacing is more or less the same as changing a flat tire. We've made a separate video dedicated specifically to replacing a flat tire. Click on the link if you want to see it. Regarding tools, the basic kit for replacing a flat tire that you already have in the car should be enough. That's what we'll be using in this example. But if you have a better hydraulic car jack, a better lug wrench, or any other equipment, all the better. The job will be easier to do. You may also need a special tool for inserting the lug nuts. More on that later in the video. Also, if you already have the wheels and kept them in storage, like in this case, be sure to check the tire pressure and inflate if needed. This is also a good opportunity to wash the wheels if they're dirty. If you've bought new alloys, make sure that they are the proper size and fit and that they can actually be mounted on the car. Park the car on a level surface. Pull the handbrake and take out the ignition key. If it's an automatic, put the car in park. If you have a stick shift, you can put the car in neutral or leave it in first gear, provided you don't accidentally start the car. This is why it's important to take out the ignition key. If you have wheel chokes, you can apply them also. The more stable the car is, the better. I would recommend to leave the driver's window open so you have access to the passenger cabin. Release the lug nuts while the wheels are still on the ground. Otherwise, if you do this while the car is jacked up, you're at risk of the car swaying and accidentally falling off the car jack. If you have problems with a stuck lug nut, click on the link to see a couple of solutions for that problem. As mentioned, in this case we're using the car jack from the car kit. If you have a more professional hydraulic one, even better. Insert the car jack in the place intended specifically for that. You'll easily recognize these places by the marks. If you don't see them, look in your car manual. Don't use other places on the floor. You can damage the floor and paint, which will lead to rust over time. Raise the car so much that the wheel has at least an inch or 2 centimeters of clearance from the ground. Sometimes the wheel will be sort of stuck. Give the tire a few bumps with your hand on the left and right side to release it. If you have rear drum brakes, like in this case, you can use a steel brush and clean the rust and grit off. Mount the alloy wheel and align the holes for the lug nuts. Be aware that alloy wheels have thicker central hubs, making the lug nuts seem short. If everything is standard, they are sufficient, but they go in deeper into the hub, making it a bit inconvenient. This is where the special tool comes in that helps tighten the lug nuts much easier. This one comes with the standard toolkit. Perhaps you may have one also. Tighten the lug nuts just so they're snug. Don't finally tighten. Lower the car down and pull out the car jack. Tighten the lug nuts firmly. Tighten in a crisscross pattern. Don't go overboard. About 1/4 of a circle after the lug nut is snug should be enough. If you don't have enough strength, you can use a stronger lever, like a metal pipe for instance. But regarding alloy wheels and tightening, the best thing to use is a torque wrench. Repeat the same procedure for all the wheels. Once the wheels are mounted, it would be good to check the tire pressure once more, since this time they are under load. If there were additional caps for the wheel, return them back. Remove all the tools and check you didn't leave anything around or under the car. As you've seen, a simple job that you can certainly do on your own. At a normal pace, it all takes about an hour to do. If you have better tools like an impact wrench, multiple car jacks, or even a car lift, it will be much faster. Once more, stay safe and always make sure that the car is properly secured. Knowing this will not only enable you to enhance the looks of your car on your own, but also change winter and summer tires on your own, like in this case. That's it for this time. I hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.